We have been learning about the Doppler effect, which happens when you have a source of some sound wave, but because of the motion of either that source or the motion of the observer, the observer will detect a different frequency than what was originally emitted by the source. That's the Doppler effect, and we looked at both the motion of the source and the motion of the object. We're going to take it a step further now and start looking at echoes. An echo is just a reflection of a sound wave. That's all it is. But if the source or the object that causes the echo is moving, then the echo is going to produce two Doppler shifts. The first shift happens as either the source or the object are moving. The source, of course, is your source for the sound wave, and the object acts as your observer. But then with the echo, the object becomes the source of the echo, and your original source now becomes the observer of the echo. So they switch places, switch positions. Let me show you a little more how this works. So first of all, you have either the source or the object are moving. If the object's moving, then the observed velocity is going to be the velocity of the object. It's going to be the same. And then if the source is moving, of course, that's going to be a velocity of the source right there. So the source is going to emit some wavelength with a frequency f, and then because of the motion, the object is going to pick up that frequency through a Doppler shift, and it's going to come out as f prime. And of course, you use just our regular Doppler shift equation to find that out. But now with the echo, the object becomes the source, and the original source of the original sound wave becomes the observer of the echo. And what happens then is the object reflects the wave that it receives, which means it reflects f prime. Let me move that up a little bit so you can see that better. But because of the motion of the detector or the object, that's going to produce a second Doppler shift. So you get an f double prime. You follow exactly the same equation. It's just that now the source of this particular sound wave is f prime, and the observed would be f double prime.